it's April. I hope you're having an excellent holiday and memory making crafting time. But I wanted to come on and let you know that we have an Access subscriber mystery box with a brand new cutie. True green. Isn't he so cute? I know you can see him there on the photo, but I'm going to show him to you here in just a moment. Please scan the QR code there on the screen, or click down below for those links and grab this New Year's resolution mystery box. Your Access subscription discounts will automatically apply. The group code CUTIES does not work on the mystery box because it's already an incredibly discounted value at $59.99 with a retail value of $127.91. But add the code CUTIES to your cart and it will automatically apply whenever it becomes eligible and give you that extra 10% off and free shipping. Cricut does not pay me to make these videos. I do it because I love Cricut. And they sent this box to me in advance so I could show you what was inside of it and how to use maybe one of the products from the box. I will earn a small commission if you scan that QR code and shop that link, or if you click those links down below, and I greatly appreciate your support. After I reveal this mystery box to you, I'm going to create something using some of the items or one of the items from the box. So go grab that box, come and build your stash up by getting these mystery boxes. Come back and we'll make something after I show you what's in there. So let's take a peek at what's in this box. The cutie. I've had him out already. I had to take his photo. Isn't he pretty? True green. True green. So grab this mystery box and let's go over. Now I already opened this up because I wanted to measure this for you guys. Let me make sure I have my notes here. But it's Sportflex iron-on. It's in midnight blue and rose gold. And it is a 12 by 24 sheet. One of each color. The rose gold and that blue. So pretty. So we have those. You get one roll. They're on one roll, but they're actually two different colors. They just put them on one roll. So we have those. And then you have the premium vinyl. This is removable vinyl and the essential sampler. And you get 6 12 by 12 sheets, one of each color. Let's just open these up and take a peek at those. That wrap is so clingy. It's static electricity. Let's see if I can get this off so we can show you some of these colors. You're going to get, it didn't say what colors, but I'm going to try to remember their names. I don't really know. We'll come up with something. So you get a sheet of the gold. You're going to get a sheet of this, I call it a smoky blue. It's so pretty. That's one of my favorite colors. That's almost, I don't know, smoky blue denim. And then you've got this mustard color. And then you have, that's between a fuchsia and a wine, I think. Maybe it is fuchsia. And you have, let's see, what else is in here? The off-white or ivory and brown. Love those colors. And then you're also going to get a youth t-shirt in the large size, rounded neck. And you're also going to get a t-shirt, women's medium v-neck. Then, let's see. I already opened these two. You're going to get the 510 set. These are the markers in the 1.0 tip, like so. See if you can see that. And they are gorgeous, guys. You're going to get one in the blue, silver, copper, gold, and violet. So pretty. Get rid of that. You're also going to get the insert card. This is the SENSEI sampler. And in this sampler, you are getting 36 envelopes. You're getting 12 each of the blue, the pink, and the navy blue bases. And then you're getting 12 of the inserts in tan, the fuchsia cardstock, and I guess that's gold or mustard. So you're 36 cards right there. Those look good together. Ooh, those go great with the vinyl. You can put vinyl on cards, guys. And then last but not least, in this mystery box, you're getting a pack of the standard grip mats. And this is a 2-pack, so you're getting 2 of the standard grip mats. So make sure that you run over there, grab this New Year's resolution mystery box, come back and join me, and let's do a project. Okay, guys, so here we are over on DesignSpace, and I have decided that I am going to make the youth shirt in a New Year's pattern. So I'm going to go and check out editable images, and I am going to search New Year. And I want to keep this kind of simple and easy, so I've been looking through here and I found one that I really like, this one right here. This one's really cute, so I'm going to click on that and add it to my canvas. The first thing I want to do is size it because I'm doing a youth shirt. I'm going to keep this at about 8 inches. That is personal preference and totally up to you. Now that I have it all lined up or sized up, I'm going to double click on it and then simply type in my year. Love the editable images, so it selected the font that was already there. And then I'm going to select all of this and attach because I want it to stay together when it goes to the mat. And so I'm going to hit make it, and I am going to choose for any material. And let's confirm. And then I'm going to come over here and mirror it because it is iron-on. And you can make this any color you want. I'm cutting it from blue, but I just left it black in the canvas. So now it's connecting up to my machine. I have cut my material down to a piece of the blue using my Cricut trimmer to about 8.5 by 5.5 inches, which should be fine. And I'm going to come in here and I'm going to search for Sportflex. And we're going to select that. Oops, it helps if you spell it correctly. There we go. And that's the iron-on that I'm using. So I'm going to say done. And it says to make sure that it's mirrored and turned on. And my shiny side is to the mat. And I'm just going to pop over and show you that. I've already got my mat loaded. And let's go to the overhead. Right here. You cut yours and you're going to put shiny side to the mat. I had it on the machine ready to go, but I'll show you. I just got my, got that on there. Now I do like to use my brayer to put mine on the mat. That's totally up to you. Now I'm going to place this in the machine. We're going to cut it and come back and iron it on. Okay, so now we've cut. Take that off the mat. Cover back on. And we are going to weed our iron on. I have my Easy Press 3 heating up, and we will come to that in a moment. I'm just going to take out all the stuff that we don't need. Now, I'm probably going to speed through this so you don't have to sit and watch me pull all of this out. And I will unpack my shirt and get everything ready, and then we'll come back and iron it on. Okay, so here we are, and I have my shirt ready to go. I haven't pressed it or anything like that yet. I'm going to go on my phone here, and we're going to pull up our heat press app, Cricut Heat. And once we have that on there, we're going to select the press that we're using. I'm going to start a new project and select my material, which is Sportflex iron-on. And then I am going to be using Cricut blank. So I'm going to select their t-shirt And I am using my Cricut pressing mat. And if you don't have an easy press mat, you can click on the icon there and it will tell you what to do. And now it wants it to be 305, and I had this heated up to 295. If you need detailed instructions, they are on there. It wants us to preheat for 5 seconds, press for 30, flip it over and press for 15, and peel it cool. So, and I'm going to send these over to my Easy Press, and it's going to change my temp and time and get ready to press that. Now, while it's doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and pre-press this because I like to find center of my shirt. And I know you probably can't see that over there, but it's there. I'm just going to pull that out of the way. And the way I like to do my shirt is to fold it. Get everything even there under the arms and at the shoulder. Just make sure it's all even. And then I'm going to press a crease right down the center. And that's going to help me line up. And it's also kind of like a pre-press. So I'm just going to do that on one side, and then I'm going to flip this over, and then I'm going to hit my pre-press on this other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit my go button and let it do its pre-press there. And now I have my seam down the middle. And that's going to help me line up. And I want to come maybe about 3 fingers down from the neck on that. And it may not be showing on camera, but I can see my crease. And then I'm just going to take my iron-on and I'm going to fold it and make sure that the edges are even. Not the edges of my carrier, but the edges of my image. I want them to be even. That's going to show me where the center is on there. And now I'm just going to come 3 fingers down from that collar, maybe 2 since this is a kid's shirt. I'm going to bring that up. I'm going to double check that it looks straight. And now that I have that on there, I am going to place my press right on the top, press my go button, and it's going to start counting down on the phone as well as on the shirt. Okay, and now we are going to flip it over. It wants us to flip it, so I'm going to flip that over, and we're going to press that for 15 seconds. So we're going to place that on, hit that go button, and now we're going to let that cool and peel it. I'm going to turn off my press. Okay, now that it's cool, we're just going to take that carrier and we're just going to peel that back. How easy is that? Love it because that Sport Flex stretches, so does the shirt. So for kids, this is great. You know, they're always pulling on their clothes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help using the Sport Flex iron-on or any iron-on in general, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm happy to help you. Have a great crafting day. Happy holidays.